circle. Let me. I got it, no! Oh my god, watch out for this stretch. Bending line. Mike, ring, they're really loose. Bring her back to a trot then. Fix her lead. Fix your reins. Slow her rhythm. Use your seat. Get your canter. Oh, do a circle. Do a circle. Don't go in diagonal. It's perfectly fine to do a circle when you're in the floor. Trot her